step into the Ram 2019 2500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 9 Alpine speakers with subwoofer, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE included, chrome accent shift knob, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, heated seats and wheel group included, heated steering wheel mounted audio controls, heated front seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, front fog lamps, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 painted aluminum with chrome inserts included, tires LT285/60R20 EOWL on off-road and manufacturer's statement of origin. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.